Hi, welcome to the podcast for When the Curves Line Up for December 15, 2023. Please see the article that includes diagrams of today's events on the website at whenthecurveslineup.com. Text by Jeffrey L. Hunt. In Chicago, sunrise occurs at 7:11 a.m. Central Standard Time followed by sunset at 4:20 p.m. This is the final day for the earliest sunset time. This sunset time began on the 2nd. After this evening's sundown, the sunset time grows later by 1 minute every 2 days. By month's end, sunset time is 4:29 p.m. Day's length is 9 hours, 9 minutes, 1 minute longer than the shortest daylight that begins the 18th and carries through the 25th. Here is today's planet forecast. In the morning sky, brilliant Venus continues to gleam from the southeast during morning twilight. It is 3.3 degrees above Zubenelgenubi, the Scorpion's southern claw, today part of Libra. The northern claw is 9.3 degrees to the lower left of the planet. The stars are about the brightness of those in the Big Dipper. The Scorpion is reaching across the southeast horizon this morning. The creature's forehead, Chuba, is over 4 degrees above the horizon, with Graphias, meaning the crab, 3.1 degrees to the upper left. A binocular assists with the view. Through a telescope, Venus' phase is 73% illuminated, a morning gibbous. Mars is slowly climbing into the morning sky. It is hiding in bright morning twilight, rising 35 minutes before the sun. In the evening sky, Mercury is heading toward inferior conjunction between Earth and Sun in a week. The planet dims each evening as it speeds deeper into bright twilight. At sunset, the planet is less than 10 degrees above the horizon. The crescent moon, 11% illuminated, is visible in the southwest as the sky darkens. An hour after sunset, the lunar orb is nearly 15 degrees up in the southwest. Each evening the moon is farther eastward and brighter. In 2 evenings, it is below Saturn. Look for earthshine, the soft light between the moon's cusps or horns, from sunlight reflected from Earth's oceans, clouds, and land. The effect is there during the next few evenings. Saturn, nearly 30 degrees to the upper left of the lunar crescent, is nearly 35 degrees above the south-southwest horizon. The planet is moving eastward in front of Aquarius, generally heading toward Lambda Aquarii, 10.0 degrees to the planet's upper left. The star skate, the Aquarian's leg, is 9.7 degrees to the lower left. Use a binocular to see the dimmer stars, especially in urban and suburban settings. As the moon waxes, the reference stars are washed out for easy observing. Use the assist from a binocular. The star Fomalhaut, meaning the mouth of the southern fish, is nearly 20 degrees to Saturn's lower left and about the same distance above the southern horizon. Farther eastward, bright Jupiter is nearly 40 degrees above the east-southeast horizon. The Jovian giant is retrograding in front of Aries, 11.4 degrees to the lower right of Hammel, the Ram's brightest star, and 14.2 degrees to the upper right of Menkar. An imaginary line between the two stars serves as a reference for Jupiter's motion against the sidereal backdrop, and its eastward motion after retrograde ends on the 30th. The crescent moon sets nearly 3 hours after night falls. Saturn follows nearly 3 hours later. Jupiter is south an hour before the ringed wonder sets. It sets before Venus rises tomorrow morning. Thank you for listening. Please read the articles at whenthecurveslineup.com.